The Mid-Autumn Festival is a very important festival in China, which means reunion. Every family enjoys the full moon and eats mooncakes. Today, chooses partners want to bring this blessing to you thousands of miles away.
Mid-Autumn Festival is a traditional festival in China, and the mooncake is a traditional food of this festival, which represents a beautiful blessing. In the autumn, 中秋快乐 mooncake runs within this most perfect moment. I wish you and your family happiness. 中秋节快乐 Enjoy the full moon and welcome to the Mid-Autumn Festival. In this unusual festival, I wish you, my friend, have a happy day. 中秋节快乐
The holiday to send blessing to you. Love is sweet. The family harmony. Business way. Promotion such as rabbit. Old friend, new wish. I wish you a Mid-Autumn Festival full in my heart. 中秋节快乐
Chinese festival, Mid-Autumn Festival is coming, which is very important festival in China. I wish you good health and success in your work.